Hi guys, welcome back with me again in channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can automate coloring the Gantt chart that you create in the Google Sheets. So here I have this Gantt chart that this is just a Gantt chart template actually, but let's say that this is my Gantt chart here. So if you want to, for example, to mark the project progress by using the color, for example, the yellow color like this, if you do it one by one, it will take too much time. So what you need to do now is just adjust here, just select the range, for example, until here, and after that go to the format at the top and go to the conditional formatting. So here just click on the format rules, scroll down and select the custom formula is. So here you need to write the formula like this. So equal to this okay, I13, why I13? Because this is the first range of the data or the range that I selected, and after that not equal to blank. So the blank here is using the double quotation mark, and after that the formatting style, change the color into the color that you want. I'm going to use yellow, and after that just click on done. Okay, so apparently you need to use double quotation mark like this. So click on it twice on your keyboard like this. Click on done. Okay, let's try. Okay, if you write a dot or click a dot in the cell here and click on enter, so it will automatically change or fill in with the yellow color like this. You can also use just a space button. Okay, you can see now it will automatically be colored to yellow. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.